Well, not good news coming in for the Aam Aadmi. Petrol prices have been increased by rupees 1.50 paisa and diesel as well has gone up by 45 paisa. Another big jolt coming in for the Aam Aadmi. 1 rupee 50 paisa is the increase which has been in petrol, and diesel has been increased by 40 paisa as well. Rukmini Vishwanath reporting on the story joins me from the newsroom. Rukmini, petrol increased by 150 and diesel by 45. As of course diesel is concerned, there was clear and present danger that the basic decontrolling prices of diesel would result in what we are seeing now, timely increase in diesel prices, and of course this time 1 rupees for 50 paisa increase in petrol as well.
Right, that's right, Preeti. It seems that oil marketing companies have taken this call. We've seen some bit of hardening in global crude prices, which may have spurred this action. There are also huge under-recoveries that these companies have been grappling with for a while now. So no surprises that prices have been increased, but the quantum of the increase is a bit of a jump, a bit of a shock for a lot of people. It seems to be a substantial hike. Clearly, the oil marketing companies are doing this ahead of the budget. It remains to be seen whether there will be a rollback. We will see those protests coming from all quarters as we expected. Perhaps this really high jump will see some bit of rollback under pressure, but this is very clearly in line with what a lot of people were expecting. There was talk that there might be a marginal hardening in petrol prices and diesel prices. Of course, after the decontrol, we were expecting some bit of hardening to take place. Also, let me point out, Preeti, that inflation had eased to about 6.69% last week. We can definitely expect a knock-on effect on inflation that this price hike is going to have, and that will perhaps be seen in the next couple of weeks to come.
Well, you're right there, Rukmini, because a hike in diesel prices does lead to a cascading effect where inflation is concerned. Rukmini, very quickly, clearly now what we're expecting, we're going to expect a stormy session where the budget session kicks in for the parliament.
It's going to certainly be a stormy session, Preeti, but again, oil marketing companies now have the freedom to raise prices as and when they want. It's another matter that they may be nudged to roll back some of the prices. This is a pretty sharp hike. Petrol prices being raised by 1.5 rupees per litre. It also goes to show the kind of huge losses that these companies are reeling under, and they need to actually bridge some of those losses under recoveries that they're selling fuel at a subsidized rate, something that they've been complaining about for a long time. We were expecting a hike. Like I said, this issue will be raised in the budget session, but we don't even have to wait that long. You can imagine that opposition parties will start raising the voice on this issue very soon.